Cessna 84 Romeo, runway 2 left, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 28 left, 1784 Romeo. All right. Oh, that was a little bit too much. Lights on.
6 Hotel Juliet, turn left at Foxtrot, hold short of runway 28 left.
Okay, left Foxtrot, hold short 28 left for...
Okay, flaps are at 10 degrees. We're going to go ahead and run the engine at full power before we get off the brakes.
Montgomery Tower, Cessna 539 6 Echoes inbound on the ILS.
All right.
Cessna 539 6 Echo, Montgomery Tower, continue.
6 Echoes.
All right, good to go. Right rudder. On right rudder. 50 knots, we rotate. A little bit of a tiny crosswind there. There's 50 knots, rotate. And we're climbing. Okay. Step on the brakes. Gear up.
At 6 Hotel Juliet, press runway 28 left at Foxtrot, then contact ground.
28 left on Foxtrot, then over ground.
And again, we want initial climb 70 to 80 knots.
Cessna 84 Romeo, contact SoCal departure.
Going to SoCal, 84 Romeo. SoCal, Cessna Sky on 1784 Romeo, 1100 feet, climbing 3000, heading 270.
1784 Romeo, SoCal departure, ready to contact, climb and maintain 4000.
Climb, maintain 4000, 84 Romeo. Okay, we're going up to 4000, what are we looking at for altitude? 1400, just about ready to get in the clouds. Climbing 1000 feet per minute. We'll go ahead and do our cruise climb and we'll back off to top of the green. Yeah, we can basically stay right there. 23, 24. All right, so about 1800. Get back over.
Departure southwest 60, 46, 1500 on the fighters. I couldn't make that out. Whoever's calling SoCal, can you try another radio? Southwest 60, 46, 2000, climbing the fighters. 60, 46, you're ready to contact. This radio is pretty weak, so. November 84 Romeo, turn right heading 300.
Right turn heading 300, 84 Romeo. This is where it gets distracting, right when you're coming out. So that was about... And 84 Romeo tops, or ceilings were about 1800, and then tops were about 2300 as I came out.
84 Romeo, roger.
All right, we're climbing to 4,000 feet. Climb checklist. Okay, we're headed 300, which is what we want. Get some right rudder in there. We're doing our cruise climb. Adjust the RPMs a little bit, bring them back. And SoCal 84 Romeo, just wanted to confirm I'm going up to 6,000.
All right, 84 Romeo, nope, it's 4,000 for the altitude, direct to Oceanside VOR now.
Glad I checked. 4,000 and direct Oceanside, 84 Romeo.
Up to 5765, contact approach on 128.1.
So even though I'm above the clouds,
128.1
I'm still doing
for
this,
compass,
watching this,
57652.
looking at my speed. We're going to have to get lined up on the VOR, so I'm going to have to overcorrect it a little bit, probably about right there. And we're going up to 4,000. Give a little bit of nose right trim. Almost at 4,000. And what do I want for my cruise settings? About 22, 23. Should be good to go with this. All right, 4,000. Level off right here.
November 84 Romeo, climb and maintain 6,000 now. There is some traffic maneuvering ahead at 4,000.
Okay, climbing to 6,000, 84 Romeo.
SoCal 115 and 1600, climbing 15,000 on the Ponders 2.
Hawaiian 15, so Hawaiian 15 heavy, SoCal departure order contact. Southwest 6046, contact LA Center 132.85.
3285, Southwest 6046, good day.
Alright, got the VOR creeping in.
November 84 Romeo, contact SoCal 127.3, we'll see you later.
Alright, 27.3, thank you for the help, 84 Romeo. SoCal, Cessna Skylane, 1784 Romeo, 4700, climbing 6,000, direct Oceanside VOR.
Skylane 1784 Romeo, SoCal approach, Miramar altimeter 3005.
3005, 84 Romeo. Which we already have in.
SoCal approach, Skylane 49er, 57 November, request.
Skylane 49er, 57 November, SoCal approach.
Still 20 miles out from Oceanside.
Good morning, 57 November, I'm Skylane
So
182 Slant Golf. I'm 5 miles southwest of French Valley, requesting flight following over to John Wayne, 57 November.
November 49er, 57 November, sorry, say again the destination?
John Wayne, KSNA, 57 November.
November 57 November, and you said you're by French Valley?
Yes, I should be about 5 miles southwest of French Valley, 57 November.
57 November, in that area, contact approach on 124.1 and let them know what you want to do.
124.1, thank you, 57 November.
Okay, cow flaps are open.
November 212, traffic will be departing on citation off Palomar shortly.
212, we'll keep our eyes out.
It's all VFR out there, but I'm still looking at this.
Archer 735B, proceed your discretion.
735, thanks.
Alright, engine's getting warm, we're going to cool it off here.
Archer 735, turn right, heading 150.
Right turn 150, 735.
Oops. Climbed a bit too much there. It'll help with the trim. No wonder.
SoCal departure, citation 85H, Charlie Bravo with you. 1,800, climbing 3,000.
November 858 Charlie Bravo, SoCal departure, radar contact. Turn left 20 degrees, vectors for Padres departure, climb maintain 5,000.
Climb maintain 5,000, left turn 20 degrees, H Charlie Bravo.
November 6 Romeo Bravo, turn right 10 degrees.
All right, 10 degrees, 6 Romeo Bravo.
November 8 Romeo, traffic 12 o'clock, 3 miles southwestbound, restricted to 5,000 is a citation.
Looking for traffic, 84 Romeo.
Citation 8 Charlie Bravo, fly heading 240.
Heading 240, H Charlie Bravo.
November 735, 1 mile from Escon, fly heading 210, maintain VFR, practice approach approved, no separation services provided.
210, practice approach approved, 735, thank you, sir.
November 8 Charlie Bravo, climb and maintain 6,000, contact SoCal approach 119.6.
19.6 up to 6,000, H Charlie Bravo.
November 735, traffic currently 12 o'clock, a mile, 1,600 gated, type unknown, appears to be low level northwestbound.
Looking for that traffic, 735.
November 735, contact Palomar Tower.
Over to tower, 735.
Wow, 27 minutes to destination.
November 6 Romeo Bravo, turn left heading 330, descend and maintain 3,600.
Left heading 330, descend, maintain 3,600, 6 Romeo Bravo.
Autopilot. Alright, so maybe it's not working.
November 6 Romeo Bravo, 1 mile from Escon, fly heading 270, descend and maintain 3,500 till established on localizer, cleared ILS 24 approach.
Left heading 270 and 2,500, clear for ILS at Palomar, 6 Romeo Bravo.
not off.
SoCal 1264 Quebec, 5,500.
November 1264 Quebec, SoCal approach, Gillespie, Quebec, current field CFR, the wind's variable at 4, altimeter 3004, runway 27 in use.
64 Quebec, thanks for that.
November 64 Quebec, you're cleared to descend class 5 airspace, maintain VFR 5,500 on your own navigation.
Alright, we're clear through the Bravo. We'll maintain 5,500 and own navigation, 64 Quebec.
November 6 Romeo Bravo, contact Palomar Tower.
Contact Palomar Tower, 6 Romeo Bravo.
Skylane 84 Romeo, contact SoCal approach 124.1.
Okay, 24-1 for 84 Romeo.
$1,300, then slowing to 190, edge 412.
SoCal, Cessna Skylane 1784 Romeo at 6,000 just over the VOR on the Victor 23.
Jet Edge 412, contact approach 121.3. Have a good day.
21-3.
Oceanside VOR.
Aircraft going to the VOR, say again?
That was 1784 Romeo was just passing over the Oceanside VOR at 6,000 and on the Victor 23.
1784 Romeo, SoCal approach, John Wayne, altimeter 3004. Good morning.
3004, 84 Romeo.
Jet Edge 412, contact approach 121.3. Good day. JetBlue 231, contact approach 125.35. Good day. JetBlue 231. JetBlue 231, SoCal approach. JetBlue 231, SoCal approach.
Oil temp is good, oil pressure is good. 145 knots across the ground.
SoCal Mahalo 803, 8,000 with X-ray.
Mahalo 803, SoCal approach, thanks for X-ray, final miles, 25 left approach. Good morning.
Morning, looks like 25 left, Mahalo 803.
8 gallons an hour, that's about right. Forgot to text my wife, but that's okay, I was going through actual. I'll just text her when I landed. All right, well, we're flying around, let's reef. Okay, our frequency right now is 24-1, 6,304, Victor 23 is what we're doing. Okay, 1-1, go ahead and get that in. We'll do, no, that's what we'll stay with that. Well, you know what? We'll get that in the backup anyhow. 110.5. Okay. And then we'll do that. 110.5. And actually, we'll go ahead and put that in as the active. The approach course will be 259. what do we need for the ATIS? We have 1244, so 1244.
Approach United 2148 with you, leveling at 7600.
It looks like we're already receiving it.
United 2148, SoCal approach, Mike's Turner, John Wayne, wind 1906, Altimeter 3004. And would you like the Zulu or the Yankee approach? Yankee, please.
I'm just kidding.
United 2148, roger, descend and maintain 6,300, then reduce speed to 190. Descend now to 6,300, then slow to 190, United 2148.
You're approaching you. Liner 126, last range 26.
November 57, November, contact John Wayne Tower, 126.8, please.
126.8, 57 November.
Unfortunately, California, available on high Washington flight service frequencies. Advisors, trying information Oscar.
November 84 Romeo, descend and maintain 5,000.
5,000, 84 Romeo.
Mahalo 803, descend and maintain 7,000.
Down to 7,000, Mahalo, Church.
Altimeter 3008. You're approaching me. Liner 126, last range 26 right. Caution very clear.
23, good day.
213 United 20. Back forward short instruction, take runway time. Hazardous coordination, unfortunately, California, available on high Washington flight service frequencies. Advisors, trying information Oscar. Rocket confirmation Oscar 1747 Zulu, wind 270 at 6, Zulu 10, clear, temperature 23, 3.17.
Okay, got the ATIS 259, runway length is 4,100 feet. It's funny how these things just do not line up. Okay, I need to descend.
Alright, 4 Romeo, turn right, proceed direct, El Toro VOR, resume navigation.
Okay, right turn, direct El Toro, and then resume home nav, A4 Romeo. Alright, so...
Mahalo 803, descend and maintain 6,000.
6,000, Mahalo, Church.
1172. LB. Ah, look at that, I missed one. Okay, then do I need to take out Dana? I do. Okay, so LB is 1172.
November 84 Romeo, contact approach 121.3, good day.
21-3, 84 Romeo, thanks for the help. Boarding SoCal, Cessna Skylane, 1784 Romeo, 5100, descending 5000, direct El Toro.
Center 1784 Romeo, SoCal approach, John Wayne, altimeter 3004.
3004, 84 Romeo.
Foothill 850, you're following United Airbus, about 8 mile final, and you're 1 o'clock in about 5 miles.
Traffic inside, Foothill 850.
Foothill 850, roger, follow the United Airbus and cleared visual approach, runway 20 right.
Follow the United Airbus, clear for the visual 20 right, Foothill 850.
United 2148, the traffic, Galaxy traffic now indicating 130 across the ground, and contact tower 126.8.
26.8, we're slowing United 2148.
Alright, so back to the plate. This approach climbing to 2100, so climb to 2100, then climbing a left turn to 4000 via POM. Vortac, radio 164 to Prado intersection with 9.3 miles from. Alright, so I'll get all that stuff set up. We do 22. Probably been just doing this too much here on the RPM.
And Foothill 850, contact tower 126.8, have a good day.
26.8, Foothill 850, see ya.
November 84 Romeo, flighting at 310, vectors for traffic.
310, 84 Romeo.
Center 67 Sierra, contact approach 135.4.
5.4, 67 Sierra.
SoCal approach to Cessna 9907 Romeo Alpha, level 5000.
And I'm sorry, November 997 Romeo Alpha, checked in 5000?
Yes, that's leveled at 5000, 7 Romeo Alpha.
7 Romeo Alpha, roger, John Wayne, altimeter 3004.
3004, 7 Romeo Alpha.
84 Romeo, descend and maintain 4,000.
4,000, 84 Romeo. Alright, so we'll get Palm in there.
November 84 Romeo, expedite your descent to 4,000 for traffic.
Expediting 4,000, 84 Romeo.
And 84 Romeo, you're still heading 310?
Nope, sorry about that, got off track here. Going back 310.
84 Romeo, roger. And turn left now, heading at 300.
300, 84 Romeo.
A4 Romeo, descend and maintain 3,000.
3,000, A4 Romeo. Alright, so...
November 84 Romeo, clear direct Pomona.
Clear direct to Pomona, A4 Romeo. One 104.
Tower 7 Romeo Alpha, contact approach 135.4, have a good day.
135.47 Romeo Alpha.
November 84 Romeo, contact approach 125.5, have a good day.
Okay, 25.5, 8 Romeo, 84 Romeo.
American 1139, approach you up.
Oh, I'm sorry, American 1139, 6300.
American 1139, do you have the field in sight? Descend and maintain 5,000.
And SoCal, Cessna Sky 1784 Romeo, 3,000 direct to Palm.
November 178 Romeo SoCal approach, Ontario altimeter 3004, flight heading 010, join the final approach course for rocket, expect a VOR Alpha approach.
Okay, expect VOR Alpha, and I'll head 110 to join the approach, 84 Romeo.
This 84 Romeo, just to clarify, 010.
Sorry about that, 010, 84 Romeo.
This 84 Romeo, did you have information Oscar at bracket?
Yes, I have Oscar, 84 Romeo.
This 84 Romeo, thanks.
Okay, VOR Alpha.
Cessna 4 Romeo, 7.5 miles from Goldie, fly present heading. Maintain 3000 to establish on the final approach course. Cleared VOR Alpha approach to Brackett Airport.
Okay, maintain 3000 until on the approach and fly present heading A4 Romeo.
SoCal approach, Cessna 909er 86 Tango, just went missed at Brackett, 2,200 with a 180 degree heading.
There are 9986 Tango, SoCal departure ident, fly heading 220 vectors for traffic.
Ident, fly heading 220 vectors for traffic, 86 Tango.
Cessna 4 Romeo, you are left of course. Turn right, heading 010 to rejoin, maintain 3000 to establish cleared VOR Alpha approach.
Yeah, I was just correcting, getting back on there, and we'll stay at 3000 until on the approach, A4 Romeo.
November 9986 Tango, SoCal departure, radar contact 2 miles southwest of the Brackett Airport. Say request.
I would like to do the VOR into cable, 909er 86 Tango.
86 Tango, roger, is that going to be a low approach or a full stop?
Low approach, 86 Tango.
Cessna 86 Tango, roger, expect vector's final approach course, maintain VFR for now at 3000.
VFR at 3000, expect vectors, 909er 86 Tango.
909er 86 Tango, as no traffic or landing, runway information available for the cable airport, maintain VFR at all times.
I will maintain VFR all times, 909er 86 Tango.
That's at 326, Conic approach on 124.6.
24.6, 326.
Cessna 84 Romeo, I show you established on the final approach course at this time. Do you concur?
Yeah, looks like I'm on it to A4 Romeo.
Cessna 84 Romeo, thanks. Contact Brackett Tower on 118.2.
1182, A4 Romeo.
Cessna 86 Tango, traffic 1 o'clock, 2 miles southbound.
Brackett Tower, Cessna Skylane 1784 Romeo is on the VOR Alpha, A4 Romeo.
For 1784 Romeo, Brackett Tower, circle south of the airport for a left downwind to runway 26 left.
Okay, circle south of the airport for left downwind, and I think you said 26 left, A4 Romeo.
Over A4 Romeo, that readback is correct. Wind 2706, altimeter 3008, and runway 26 left, you're clear to land.
Clear land, 26 left, A4 Romeo. Okay, so where is the airport? That's it, straight ahead. Okay. Okay, 10 degrees of flaps. Do gas, undercarriage, mixture. There's the airport, there's the tower. Downwind 90 knots. That's what we're doing. Now we'll go ahead and do a nice big base here. Gear down. Okay, good. Downwind, 90 knots. 26 left. Okay, gas. Undercarriage down. Mixture, we're going to keep it right there. Prop we'll do at the last second. Speed and seatbelts. Some birds right there. We're going to do 80 base. Watch out for these birds. I'm going a little bit past them.
2609.
20 degrees. 90-70 for final.
Helicopter 4 Tango Victor, follow Skylane on left base advisement.
Helicopter 4 Tango Victor will follow the Skylane we have in sight.
Tango Victor, thank you. Runway 26 left, clear for the option.
26 left, clear for the option, 4 Tango Victor.
Okay, now we're going to do full prop. A little fast, so we'll slow down here real quick. There we go. There we go. Couple little bumps, not that big of a deal.
Number Ray 4 Romeo, turn left to Delta, contact ground 125.0.
Going left at Delta, we'll contact ground 125.0. All right. Bracket ground, Cessna Skylane 1784 Romeo is on Delta, just off 26 left, and would like to just go to the transient.
Ray 4 Romeo, you're still on tower, continue straight into parking with me today.
Just got that, thank you. I'll go straight into the transient, E4 Romeo. All right, 1,000 RPM. Get the avionics off.
A little bit of a bumpy landing as I was coming in there. Saw myself dropping a little bit too fast. Very good power, leveled it off, stay calm. It's been a while since I've flown this plane. So we're good.